Hi, I'm Ainsley from A Mama with Trauma. Thank you for stopping by my page today. If you would like and subscribe, I would appreciate that. Um, Today I I just wanted to share an experience that I was able to have with my kid the other day. We went on a hike, and one of the things I try to do with my kiddo is just kind of let her be, especially when we're hiking or outside in nature. I don't like to confine her, and I like to let her just kind of do her own thing. And um it's always so wonderful to watch her figure things out and experience things without me giving any commentary or being, so in the moment with her. I, as her mom, really like to kind of keep some distance between her and myself, especially when we're outdoors and just kind of like doing stuff like that. And I learned so much from her. Number one, I learned to trust her more, and I see her learn to trust herself. And I think that's important for me as her mom to see her grow in that area. Also, figuring things out. A lot of times she'll want to take her shoes off, and I absolutely take your shoes off. And there is the mindset of germs, COVID, being sick, all of that. But one thing I see now is time is so limited. Time is so limited with kids, being how young they are, and the weather being nice. That's another thing that's kind of limiting. And really, genuinely allowing her to guide the experience. I think that's another thing that's I notice I enjoy with her. Letting her lead, letting her just lead us where she wants to go, and trusting her leading us. Um, it it just opens the door for so much inner belief and trust to be built. And I can see it. Like, I can see it being built. And I'm I'm proud of myself as a parent to have never have had that modeled, to have the complete opposite modeled, and to be able to find that the work that I have done to heal myself, actually to see it paying off, to see it coming to to like fruition, kind of, in my child. Like, you do this work, you learn to like hold yourself accountable and do all these changes, and then wanting to like be a different parent for my child, and making space and allowances for accidents and mistakes and apologies. And it's a really powerful feeling to be able to participate in a little person's life like that. It is not easy, and I have had to do a lot of fighting and persistent changing, um to get to this point. But being able to experience this with her and to see her grow independently and so strongly, and to have to make the decisions that I can't protect you from everything, but I can be in the front lines with you when you go through these things. And it's really changed the way that I look at kids in general, honestly. Not just my child, but children in general, and to see the the capabilities, and to want to encourage that. So, I don't know. I just wanted to come in and share that. And I had such a delightful time with my kid, and we ended up finding 4 morel mushrooms, which I don't know if any of you know about morel mushrooms, but that really kind of a rare find. And uh, yeah, just kind of, it ended up being a really good day. So, yeah, just wanted to share that. But I am Ainsley from A Mama with Trauma, and I appreciate you coming over to my page today, and I hope you have a good day.